Along with a bigger, stronger chest, shirt-straining arms and perfectly carved six-pack abs. Most guys want their legs muscles to really pop. Building bigger legs without a gym full of equipment isn't impossible. In this video we showcase how you can pump up your legs with little or no weights, so no squirming under a deep barbell squat, or tearing a deadlift from the floor necessary. In fact, all you need is a small amount of room and a shed-load of tenacity. This workout is a home workout using no equipment, other than usual things you'll find at home. These are a mixture of standard sets and supersets to build muscle, but with reasonably short rest periods to also keep the heart rate up to burn fat too. Number 1. Lunge jumps and squat pulses. How to do lunge jumps. Lunge forward until your rear knee is almost touching the ground. Jump into the air, bringing your rear foot forward and the front foot back. Land in a lunge and repeat. How to do squat pulses. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Start the movement by bending your knees and sitting back with your hips. Go down as far as you can. Pulse your hips up and down for 5 seconds, and quickly reverse the motion back to the starting position. At the bottom of the squat, pulse your body up and down a few inches either way. Number 2. Single leg bridge and step up. How to do single leg bridge. Lie flat on the floor with your legs bent. Drive through your heels to push your hips upwards as far as you can go, before pausing and returning to the start position. How to do step up. Place a bench or a box in front of you and step onto it with one foot. As you plant your foot, drive with your other foot to join the other. Lower back down and step back onto the floor. Repeat on the other side. Number 3. Walking lunge. How to do walking lunge. Lunge forward as far as you can with your right leg, bending your trailing knee so it almost brushes the floor. Use the heel of your right foot to push yourself off into the next lunge, this time leading with your left leg. Number 4. Split squat, with or without dumbbells. How to do split squat. Stand facing away from bench with one leg resting on it, laces down. Squat down with your standing leg until the knee of your trailing leg almost touches the floor. Push up through your front foot to return to the start position. Use a platform such as a chair, bed, sofa or a stool, but make sure it is secure and safe. Number 5. Squat and squat jump. How to do squat. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Start the movement by bending your knees and sitting back with your hips. Go down as far as you can and quickly reverse the motion back to the starting position. How to do squat jump. Stand straight with your arms across your chest, and your feet shoulder width apart. Lower yourself into a squat position until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Push up explosively from your feet, keeping your arms folded as you jump up. Immediately jump again when you return to the squat position. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.